4. Consider function 1 and function 2. f1, f2 denote the number of times statement x equal x plus 1 is executed in function 1 and function 2. function 1 में x equal x plus 1 statement execute होगी first n times, then n by 2 times because each for loop n के बाद n equal n by 2 हो रहा है. So next होगा n by 4 then n by 8. Common term is n. That is a GP series. GP series का सम होगा a divided by 1 minus r. r is 1 by 2 and a is 1. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 2. 2n time execute होंगी, but in a function 2 100n time execute होगी. Now f1 belongs to the theta of f2n, means f1 equal है f2 के. Both function equal होंगे if at least find a two positive constant where c1 of dot g1 gn less than equals to the f of n and less than equals to the c2 g of n. gn is 100n and fn is 2n. c1 की वैल्यू ले ले 1 by 100. So now n is less than 2n, and when c2 is 1, now 100n is greater than 2n. So c1 is 1 by 100 and c2 is 1. c1 c2 वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो गई हैं, that's why that is possible. f of n is small of f2n. For every positive constant के लिए f of n less than होना चाहिए c of g of n. For example c ले लें 1 by 100. Now 2n is not less than n. every के लिए होना था, so 1 by 100 के लिए नहीं हुआ, that's why b is not correct. इन w में f of n greater than होना चाहिए c of g of n के लिए, for every constant के लिए. if अगर c की वैल्यू 1 ले लें, now 2n is not greater than 100n, that's why that is incorrect. Now f of n is big O of n. Big O means f of n less than equals to the g of n. g of n is n. Now 2n less than equals to the at least one constant के लिए, every के लिए नहीं, at least one constant के लिए. Now c की वैल्यू 2 ले लें, now 2n that equals to the 2n, that's why that is possible. because थीटा में at least के लिए फाइंड आउट करना है कांस्टेंट, at least one constant, and big O में भी at least के लिए, बट इन स्मॉल ओ एंड w के लिए every के लिए फाइंड आउट करना है, that is not possible, so that a and d are correct.